Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add two columns in Google Docs. Open a Docs file and simply select your text, dragging your mouse. You want to apply column. I'll apply column this page. Now select format option. Here you will find this column option and here you will find this two column option. Simply apply and see this two column already added. Also I'll add here two column, only this few text, and select format option and columns. Also you can apply two columns more option. Select here and you will select here two columns. You can change columns line spacing here. Now select apply and see this two columns already apply. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.